Yeah, kind of does. Yeah, there's a finish for you. So yeah, your brain goes kaput and your body goes, and from there you think, I think I've just wasted my time. I don't know, crispy. There you go, that's some crispy stuff for you. Judging by the weird O that you got there, my evening has been best described as, in layman's terms, you know what I think? I think it's good as well. Ignore that part. You want to know what else you can't find anywhere else in the world? Yeah. 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 So yeah. But first, there's a hot shot coming up here. And that's the end of that chapter. There we go. But I am up on one thing. Yeah. I'm sure Bootlegger himself would be proud of that. Don't know if he'd be proud of that though. But yeah. It's yeah, that was me. So yeah, hang on. Yeah. Hang on a minute. Oh, I don't know what that smells like. The other ones didn't smell too good. I had another curry, and I shouldn't have. Hang on. I haven't done much research, but is that one? Yeah. I'm gonna have to do it. I'm gonna have to look and do it. Oh, fuck me. Oh. That's hot. That is hot. You know, I was cold tonight, but my ass has just been like. No, I don't think. Yeah, mate. I think you're gonna warm up right now. Man. Look at that. Speaking of pride, fucking proud of that one. Yeah. Hang on a minute. See? Yeah. A bit of a hop in that one. Will it be Thornbridge arse wiper? Delivery, gotta love it. It tastes like shit, so that's probably just as bad. Actually, whilst we're on the subject, speaking of mahogany, I'll just turn that chair a nice mahogany skid mark. Whilst we're on the subject, that certainly wasn't fucking standard, was it? In the meantime, signing off. Take care, everyone.